We're in a home in North Toronto, and clients wanted a fence to set the boundaries on their property and to add some texture to the perimeter of the yard. What they had there before was a wrought iron fence. You could see right into the neighbor's property, and they're building a pool. So they wanted to have a wood fence for sound retention, also for privacy. When designing a fence, I think the considerations are style, height, what type of products you're going to use. And I think it's important to go over that with the neighbor just so that you both agree on it. When choosing the wood, we dealt with Home Depot, and Home Depot provided us with all the cedar and pressure treated we needed, and they delivered it to site. We chose cedar here because it's stainable, you can get different colors on it, it's a durable wood, and also it has some really nice wood grain on it, and I think it's going to go with the overall design of the property. There are quite a bit of options when it comes to different designs on fence. We decided to do more of a traditional design here with the cedar. We did vertical boards with some upper trimming and post caps. Other options are horizontal fences. Sometimes we even put little custom ripped lattice in between the panels or little iron inserts. But they wanted to maximize privacy here because of the pool going in. So that's why we decided a vertical. The materials we used at this property were cedar and pressure treated. We used pressure treated behind big trees because there's a lot of sap and acidity, and the pressure treated is better for that. There's many options, but I think in our climate, the cedar and the pressure treated work really well. We probably will stain it. The thing about cedar is you need to let the natural oils come out of it for about 3 or 4 months, and then it can accept a good stain. The way that we found out how much materials we needed, we have a calculating tool through a landscape management network program that we can just enter length of fence in, and then it'll spit out how much material we need. Now, for the average homeowner, it's kind of daunting when you're building a fence because you don't know exactly what you need, how much material, and with Home Depot, they can help you along with the process. And if you tell them how many feet of fence you want, they'll be able to figure out the materials for you. We were very fortunate to be able to build this fence this spring so that it can air out during the summer and dry out so that we can stain it late summer, and then it'll be good for the fall.